my first question is there a hierarchy in this length, breadth, depth, time and space? Is there a hierarchy? First length comes and then breadth comes.
I should say, not a hierarchy, depth. 10 frequency of length is breadth, 10 frequency of breadth is depth, 10 frequency of the depth is time, 10 frequency of the time is space. Like this, it becomes more and more intense. For example, one thread is a length, 10 thread is breadth, 100 thread is depth, 1,000 thread is time, 10,000 thread is space.
So there is interdependency.
I should say qualitatively but not quantitatively. So, you can make length out of space, but you cannot make space out of length. You can't take space out of length, but you can take length out of space.
Okay. And the second question is, where do emotions lie? So we complete the emotions, so we relive and complete it. So where does that happen actually?
That happens more in a breadth and depth.
Okay, so cognitions, it is in depth or breadth?
Cognition means depth.
Okay, and cognition give rise to emotions, right?
No. Then it is a confused breadth only, emotion only. Cognition will be always certain, sure.
Okay, so if I carry I am afraid kind of a cognition, so that will trigger fear in breadth.
Then it is a depth only.
So in the manifesting powers, is that happening at space towards length?
I should say from space towards, some powers are from space to time, some powers are from space to time to depth, like that.
Okay. So if there is a block, if there is a manifestation happening and that is not getting expressed, means at what level is the block?
The more, say, I tell you, most of your blockages are not even worthy of called as blockages. Just unattendedness. You don't take it seriously. It takes 3 months for you to even recognize some place and importance of it. You are still, some of you are not expressing the power. Still you are feeling you are in a cinema theater. I need to tell you, you are in Adinam. That's all is the blockage, nothing else. Still you are thinking you are in a cinema theater having IMAX movie and different hero, that's all. No, that cognition, I should not even call it as a blockage, I should only call it as a slumber. Because none of your blockage is powerful enough to block me. Understand? I always tell people, tell your problems how big your guru is, not your guru how big your problems are.
Thank you so much.